13 problem in exercise 11.1. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeters, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Look in this figure, 6 designs are there in round table. Okay. In this problem, given 6 designs of table covers 6 sectors of a circle. Therefore, each sector of a circle equal to 360 by 6. That means we get 60 degrees. In this problem, given radius equal to 28 centimeters. Therefore, area of one sector equal to, you know the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means 60 by 360 into pi value is 22 by 7 r square, that means 28 into 28. 0 0 cancellation, 6 ones 6 6, 2 table, 2 threes, 2 11s. Therefore, here we get to 11 into 28 into 28. In 7 table, 28 cancellation, 7 ones, 7 fours. Nominator value we get 11 into 4 into 28, that means 1232. Denominator value is 3 centimeter square. Okay. In this problem we observe, we take one design. This is the OABP is a sector. Angle is 60 degrees. From triangle AOB is a equilateral triangle. Is equilateral triangle. Therefore, area of equilateral triangle AOB equal to, you know the formula, equilateral triangle area formula is root 3 by 4 a square. A square means radius. So here root 3 by 4, a square means 28 into 28. Here we get to 4 sevens. So overall here we get to 196 into root 3. That means root 3 value is 1.7, approximate value is 1. So we get 196 into 1.7. We get 333.2 centimeters square. Here root 3 value is 1.7. Therefore, area of segment that means area of design equal to area of segment is, we know the formula from this diagram, area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle AOB. Area of sector value is 1232 by 3 minus area of triangle AOB value is 333.2. Therefore, in this problem, 6 designs are given. So, 6 designs, 6 designs of table cover equal to 6 into area of one segment value is 1232 by 3 minus 333.2. Here we get to 6 into 1232 by 3 minus 6 into 333.2. That means here 2 times. So we get here 2464 minus 6 into 333.2. That means 1999.2. Overall we get here 464.28 centimeters square. In this problem given cost of making 1 centimeter square equal to 1 centimeter square equal to